So good afternoon, class 6 children. After completing chapter number 13, today we are going to discuss the back exercise of this chapter. So I want each one of you to open your books and let's continue with the back exercise. Yes, filling the blanks is the first question. Artificial magnets are made in different shapes such as
Cylindrical magnet,
Cylindrical,
horseshoe magnet,
and bar magnet.
bar magnet.
children. I hope you have forgot that you have to raise hand only. All together, nobody can speak. Yes, Aksham Sharma.
Ma'am, bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, and cylindrical magnet.
Yes, bar magnet,
Horseshoe magnet,
horseshoe and this cylindrical
Cylindrical.
magnet. So kindly write down each one of you. Write down. Cylindrical and horseshoe magnet. Next, number 2, the material which are attracted towards a magnet. Yes, Charvi.
The material which are directed towards a magnet are called magnetic magnets.
Magnetic materials. Next, paper is not a magnetic material. In olden days, sailors used to find directions by suspending a piece of, yes, Tanishq.
Yes, ma'am. In olden days, sailor used to find direction by suspending a piece of
Yes, tell.
magnet.
It's a magnet
Yes, ma'am.
because magnet always stay in north and south direction. Has 2 poles. Next, we need to say whether it is true or false. A cylindrical magnet has 1 pole. Yes, Avni Agarwal. Is it true?
And false.
It's false. Okay. Next, artificial magnets were discovered in Greece. Is it true? Yes, Chehek.
Ma'am, false.
False. Similar poles of magnet repel each other. Prapti Agarwal. Similar poles of magnet repel each other. Yes, it is true. Maximum iron filings stick in the middle of the bar. Yes, Charvi.
Ma'am, false.
False it is. Next, Kanishka. Bar magnets always point towards north or south direction. True it is. A compass can be used to find east-west direction at any place. Yes, Anya.
Ma'am, it is false.
Rubber is a magnetic material. So after that, question number 5. Children, switch on your cameras. It was observed that a pencil sharpener get attracted by both the poles of magnet. Although the body is made up of a plastic, name the material that might have been used to make such part of it. Yes, Saksham.
Iron is used to make some part of sharpener due to which it is attached towards.
Okay, so you must have seen the part with which we are sharpening the pencil is made up of an iron, and iron is a magnetic material which get attracted towards a magnet. Okay, next number 4 is column 1 shows different positions in one of the pole. Okay, you have to tell or you have to write down whether the attraction or whether the repulsion. Yes, Charvi. North and north pole.
Ma'am, repulsion.
North and north pole repel each other. Here is attraction given. So attraction will be there if north and south pole will be there. Different poles. South and north Again, what will happen?
Attraction.
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 Next,
Attract.
repulsion is there. So for repulsion,
South.
south and
and
south.
south.
Okay.
And south.
South and south pole repel each other. Question number 5. Write any two properties of a magnet. Yes, Prapti Agarwal. Write any two properties of magnet. Yes, tell. Yes, Chehek.
Yes, two properties of magnets are a magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. Like pole repel each other and unlike pole attract each other.
Okay. Anybody other than this want to say something?
Magnet oxides iron.
Oxide? Magnet attract
Ma'am, can
iron
I?
towards it. Yes, Tanishq. Other than this, if you want to say.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, a magnet, when we try to connect the south poles or north poles of the magnet, they repels, and if we try to connect the different poles with each other, they attract with
Okay.
each other.
So similarly, as you have said that similar poles repel and opposite pole attract each other. Okay. Next question number 6 is, where are poles of a bar magnet located? Yes, Avni Agarwal. Arav Sharma.
North on south.
Okay, anybody else? Kanishka, Arav, Anya. Where are the poles of bar magnet located?
Ma'am, can I give? Ma'am, north and south.
Okay, Chehek, speak. Yes, speak out. Where are two poles? The two poles of the bar magnet are at the ends of the magnet. They are at the ends of the magnet because you know the poles are at the sides of the magnet. Okay. Number 7. A bar magnet has no marking to indicate its poles. How would you find out near which end of its pole located? So actually there is no marking. It's not written that whether it is a north or whether it is a south pole. So how you can find out that is it this is the north or this is a south pole? Can anybody tell? Is there any way to find out? Yes, Shehik,
Ma'am, can I?
after her. Yes, speak out.
When a bar magnet is suspended freely, it always rests in north-south direction. The end pointing towards north is called north-seeking end, or north pole. The end pointing towards south is called south-seeking
Okay,
and
good. So
pole.
in this way, we can find out whether the this pole is north or whether it is south. Yes, Tanis, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I wanted to say that, ma'am, first we can take the bar magnet and we can take another magnet
Hmm.
that has the markings on that
Okay.
and then we can take that magnet south pole and we can try to connect that magnets, and if it attracts with that one pole, we can mark that as the north pole.
Yes. So you mean to say that one is unknown magnet with us and another magnet will take that is of known, means whose poles we are knowing, and we just bring that known magnet to the unknown one and we can find out we can check on both the poles whether the attraction and repulsion is there. So in this way, we can find it out that whether the given or unknown magnet is which pole they are having, either the north or either the south pole. So this is also the best way, and that answer given by Chehek, that is also good. Number 8, you are given an iron strap. How will you make it into a magnet? So children, this complete activity we have read already, that with the help of an iron strip, we can change iron strip into the magnet by uh, pushing it with the help of a magnet, or by striking with the help of a magnet at least 30 to 40 times. Only then that iron strip will be converted into a magnet. But that is not a temporary, that is a temporary magnet, that is not a permanent. After some time, the magnetism will lose. Okay, so we can make our own magnet by striking it with the help of a bar magnet. Children, if this question will be in 3 marks, so you need to write down the complete activity. Complete, you need to write down. Next, number 9. How is a compass used to find direction? Yes, Avni?
A compass is usually a small box with a glass cover on it. A magnetized needle is pivoted inside the box, which can rotate freely. The compass also has a dial with directions marked on it. The compass is kept at the place where we wish to know the directions. Its needle indicates the north-south direction when it comes to rest. The compass is then rotated until the north and south marked on the dial are the two ends of the needle. To identify the north pole of the magnetic needle, it is usually painted in a different color.
Okay, so complete, you have to write down, and if this question come in 3 marks, you need to draw the diagram of magnetic compass. Okay. Next, number 10. A magnet was brought from different directions towards a toy boat and has been floating in the water in a tub. Effect observed in each case is stated in the column 1. Possible reasons for the observation is mentioned in column B. So we need to match at A and B columns. So let's read it and let's do how we can match. Column A, boat gets attracted towards a magnet. Yes. Yes, give the answer. Any one of you, Saksham, Char? Yes, tell.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Boat is made up of magnetic material.
Okay, let's connect it. The boat get attracted towards a magnet. It means the boat is made up of a magnetic material.
Magnetic
Yes.
material.
Next, boat is not affected by a magnet. So it is.
Ma'am,
What is made up of non-magnetic
Okay,
material?
simply you can say if it is attracted, then it is made up of magnetic. If it is not affecting, means it is made up of non-magnetic. Boat moves towards a magnet if north pole of the magnet is brought near its head. Towards the magnet if its north pole is brought close. So what do you think? Yes, Prapti?
Boat is
Boat is fitted
with a magnet with north pole towards its head.
Yes, Prapti? Number 3.
Boat is fitted with a magnet with north pole towards its head.
This one you want to say. Next, if boat move away when north pole is brought, yes, Shahik, near its head, then what will happen? I think this will be there. And last is boat floats without changing its direction. Yes, tell me, beta, if any of the number 4.
Boat has a small magnet fixed along its length.
Which one you are saying? 4th or 5th?
one is incorrect.
Ma'am, boat is fitted with a magnet with south pole towards its head. Ma'am,
Which one you are? Which one? The fourth one?
Ma'am, fourth. Ma'am, fourth.
Yes, ma'am.
And fourth one you have done wrong.
बेटा listen, number 3 आप check करिए एक बार. Boat moves towards a magnet if north pole of the magnet is brought near to its head. तो attraction तो तभी होगा when north and south will be combined.
So ma'am, you have matched it with the north.
Attraction will be there only if the north and south will be. So it will be a south pole. It will be a south pole. So attraction will be there only if the south pole will be there. Next, away from the magnet, then the north and north will be there.
North
And
Pole.
last one is the simplest
Ma'am,
one.
north pole.
Yes. So
Ma'am, boat
attraction
has a
will be there
small
if
magnet.
north and south will be combined. So children, this was your chapter number 13's back exercise. Don't need to do the last question as you can do the matching in this book only. Okay. So I want each one of you to write the question answers in the notebook so that our chapter will be complete. And I hope each one of you have drawn the diagram on the left page with different
Yes, ma'am.
types of the shapes of the
Ma'am.
magnet and even the suspended magnet you have drawn. So now children continue with your chapter in the written form. Rest will continue tomorrow.